So how much money do you make with 20,000 YouTube subscribers? Well, first of all, you don't make money with subscribers, you make money on your views. So just because I have 20,000 subscribers now, which is amazing, thank you everyone that subscribed to this channel, does not mean that I'm going to be making the exact same amount as somebody else with 20,000 subscribers. It's going to depend on quite a few things. It's going to depend on the types of videos that you make, the topic of your video. If you're in a niche where an advertiser wants to put their money on that topic, they're going to be paying more money than if you're just, say, a general entertainment channel, which could have any sort of ads. If you're niche or specialized in a topic, you're more likely to be having a higher CPM, which means you're getting more money per 1,000 views. Also, it doesn't come down to subscribers, like I just said, it comes down to views. Like most of the advertising is per 1,000 views. That's how they show it on the dashboard, which I'll show you in a minute. It's just because two YouTubers might have 20,000 subscribers does not mean that their views are going to be the same. I have quite relatively low views for 20,000 subscribers compared to some of the other accounts that I looked at on this topic. So my views are substantially lower than somebody else's at 20,000 subscribers, but that doesn't mean I'm earning less than them. I am in the finance niche, which typically has quite high CPMs. So I just wanted to point that out. Views matter. It doesn't matter how many subscribers you've got, but we had to put that in the title since that's what people are searching for on YouTube. They're not searching for how much you make on, say, 300,000 views. So let's jump in and I'll go through my analytics and you can see exactly how much I've made over the last 12 months. And I'll go through the videos that have made the most. I'll go through my CPMs and everything you might want to know about how much money I earn on YouTube. Let's go. Okay, here we are in my dashboard. As you can see, it defaults to 28 days. I'm going to change that to 365 days. It'll just give you a better overview of the last 12 months. Now you'll probably see right away that you can see that in the last 12 months I've earned $6,695.83. That is in Australian dollars too, since I am in Australia. And I do have a little bit more than 20,000 subscribers, so thank you again for everybody for that. But first you'll notice that I only have 388,000 views. A lot of people who have 20,000 subscribers have substantially more views than I do. A lot of the ones that I was looking at on YouTube when I was researching whether to do this video had over 1 million views. So I have quite a lot less than them. So I want you to take that into consideration. Also, the reason mostly for my lower views was because at the end of 2020 and the start of 2021, I wasn't publishing as many videos. I maybe was doing 2 to 3 videos a month, whereas now I have increased the amount of videos I'm doing only by 1 or 2. So I'm doing about 3 or 4 videos a month now, and you can see that my views have gone up. And of course, that does mean that my income has gone up too, which you can see if we pop into revenue. There's my CPM and my RPM. CPM is what most people quote, although RPM is probably a little bit easier to understand because it's how many views per 1,000 views, like how much you make per 1,000 views. So I roughly make $17.24 every 1,000 views that I get, which is actually pretty amazing. So if we go down, you can see again, the start of the year, I was earning maybe $300-400 a month, and now I'm earning nearly $800 a month. That's just because I've increased the amount of videos that I'm doing. And of course, every time I publish a video, the views will spike. And because I'm publishing more videos now, the views are spiking higher. So let's go and have a look at the top earning videos. I mentioned before that a lot of the videos are based on the types of content that you make. And because I'm making a finance content, you'll see if we go into the top earning videos, nearly all of them are investing, either exchange traded funds or dividend based videos. There's a few other different ones in here, but that's mostly because of views. You'll actually notice that just because a video gets high views does not mean that it's going to make more money. It depends on the topic. So if we go in and I'll put views in this and we'll sort by views, the video with the highest views in the last 365 days, how much money do you make with 1,000 subscribers? That seems so long ago. I look so different too. That's funny. Anyway, it's made over 33,000 views, yet it's only made $250. Compared that to something that's made half the amount of views, but it's on exchange traded funds, and it's made nearly $700 over the same time period. And that's also down to the topic again, which is why I've been making more investing videos lately. Not only that, because I actually like the topic as well. And down here you can see the same. When I've talked about either spending or saving, I'm only got less than $100 for that video over the last 12 months, but it's a similar amount of views, but it was on exchange traded funds, so investing, so it's made double the amount of money. So it's very clear from my analytics that either if I make a video on dividends or exchange traded funds or investing in general, that I'm going to be earning more money than if I just make a general saving video. So this video that I'm making right now, which is how much money I make with 20,000 subscribers, is not going to make as much money as if I had have done another dividend or exchange traded fund video, simply based on the topic. But I thought it was an interesting enough topic that I wanted to make a video on it. So here we are. So that's how much money I have made over the last 365 days. I've made $6,695.83. That's increased since June when I started making more videos, which I showed you. My revenue is actually going up now. That's nothing to do with more advertisers now. It's to do with that I'm publishing more videos now. So what can we learn from this? We can basically learn that topic matters, views matter, subscribers don't matter. Like, obviously you need 1,000 subscribers to get monetized, but after that, how much subscribers you've got makes no difference to how much money you're going to make. It really depends on views. It comes down to views and topic. So if you are looking to make money on YouTube, niche down, make it on a topic where advertisers want to put ads on your videos. They won't be specifically going after your video, they'll be going after your niche or your topic. If you start getting views, start making more videos on that topic, and always be looking at your analytics to see which videos are making more money, and then you can start to move in that area if that's what you're after, if you're trying to make money on YouTube. I don't make full-time money on YouTube, I just do it as a hobby, but I can definitely see the possibility that if I started putting out more videos on a more regular basis and my view count started increasing because of that, that I could make very good money on YouTube. I'm just lazy. Plus for me, YouTube money is just extra spending money, so it's not money I rely on. So I am fortunate and privileged and lucky in that respect. So I think that's the main takeaway. The topic that you choose, the amount of views that you get, so choosing popular topics that your audience wants to see, and every time you start making videos that get more views or start earning you more money, is to double down on those type of videos and keep making those type of videos. But of course, it's not just always about making money on YouTube. It is about having fun with the videos as well. And I do have fun making the videos. I really have fun editing. I have fun trying to do the research. The filming part actually is my least favorite part of YouTube because I always think I look kind of weird in the camera. But I think most people feel that about themselves on camera. But that's how much money I have made over the last 12 months with 20,000 subscribers, or more realistically, over 300,000 views. I hope you found this video useful. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!